Hello and welcome to this update. Piotr Fissner here. So we are at the developer branch. It's still BookRepairOnline.co.uk. Let's look at the repair manager first, because that's probably the most interesting part of this software. So my developer have add theme change. So if you prefer a different one, you just save your choice, you get a confirmation message, yes, and you can operate in the new theme. Well, it was working just a minute ago, so I don't know, to be true, what have happened. Is it has to, okay, let's wait, because I know it was working fine. Yes, you see, so it is working fine. I've probably clicked something. If somebody prefer a green one, yes, they can change to a green one. So anyway, that's it. Okay, so something still had bugs. We need to observe it, catch these bugs, and then change it, because I know it was working. I'm 100% sure. You've seen as well the change, so it shouldn't be a problem. I think he omitted some of the changes, but anyways, you know, so that's a small touch. We will catch this bug, we will fix it. As I said, it's a development branch, it's not even beta version, so let's switch to the green one, the gray one, because that's more helping. We do have a dashboard idea. If you have any let's say your own idea, what would you like to see in the repair after the login in, then you can of course let us know, but we will add notifications, so whatever happened, you know, you will see anyway. You can see here short stock items, or you can see here new customers or new bookings, or whatever you would like. Yes, so after logging in you could go to new bookings, for instance. Now you see the priority is red, so that's mean it's highest priority here. Let's zoom in a bit, and now you see that the data table wasn't full. Now it's full. You can see the details. Yes, again, let's zoom in a bit more. So it is responsive, yes, again, and you see, so if you will be on the small device, you will be able to see everything. Now the highest priority here, details. That's details for this booking. Problem with the device, yes, and you can assign it to yourself. When you click assigned, yes, it was shift to the undergoing work table and assigned to you. So if we will go again to the okay, here responsiveness is not yet done, so let's zoom out, because as you see the work is in progress, and F5. So yeah, so here it is, and here you've got additional field as an internal information. Yes, you can put this fix was a total, yes, and that's an internal information, so only you, the employee who've done it, or you as you, or the manager can only see it, but customer won't see this information. That's only for the company use. Details for booking are with a date, and are as well the unique number designated only for this company. Yes? So it can't be that one company has the same number as the other company. So that's a good thing, and plus the date, so that making more useful. Now you can again set it as complete, or you could reject the booking when you start to do the work and customer receive the notification that their work has started. Yes, then you can find some issue with it, and you might reject this booking, or you might set as a complete. Yes, if you will, excuse me, if you would set it as a complete one, then of course customer will notice it, that it's completed. Yes, then we can generate invoice or receipt, or any other thing which you would like to have. The proper way would be to generate automatically an invoice, but I don't know if it's something what all the repair shops would want, as an opportunity to when it's a completed work, yes, it would be additional button create an invoice, yes, and that would be as an invoice. Then we could make another item here in the menu as a invoices, if that's what shops would want. But if shops want to, let's say, do it in the other way, yes, that would be as an option, yes, so that wouldn't be here as a must, but that would be here only as an additional option. Next, customer payments will be added later on, at later stage. Chat communication is a chat integrated with this software. I bought this chat like way back. You can have access only to your customers. So if you will go to the customers, you see that's your customers. You've got a chat with as well admin, sorry, so there is a few more options for you. So all the customers of this company will be here to chat, will be admin, and will be as well other businesses which we can share the global stock with, yes, so the inventory when it's ticked global, and we'll go back to the dashboard. So if we will go to company inventory, it's made as a, I don't know if I've got a dash trans here somewhere. Documents, Inte.Team. Do we see Inte.Team here? Inte.Team. No, not the one. Okay, let's look for dash trans. Dash trans. Should be. I think it was in the downloads. Okay, let's go. Dash trans here. Inte.Team. Yes, dash trans. Sorry guys, it's just that it's a lot. E-commerce product details. Oh, I missed. That's okay. Open with Google Chrome. That's fine. So you see, that's the product details page, and that's the products page. So that's what we'll be looking. But we're still missing here categories, yes, and we're still missing the shop item. So when you are on this page here, you need to kill that process. Console. Only if I would remember the history. If I would remember the command, that would be awesome, yeah? Kill all when wine server, because that's what I have shown here. Okay, let's switch off that. Now back to the business. So here, yes, you can add new product. It is globally visible. The word here, of course, is visibility, global visibility, or we can global access, or whatever name we will put on it. Yeah, I know it's not proper English, just that Polish English is the way to do sometimes, and it's a guy from Poland who've done it. So I mean Polish speaking person. So that's why it's an issue. But anyways, so that's globally visible, and that's here would be item in our shop. So then the client, when will be logged in and when we'll look at your shop items, will see this product as the product in store as well. Yes, so you will be able to provide all those products which you have. You can search for them, and you can add new products. Not yet done. Yes, you probably can't do it yet. Item and test. I don't know because I haven't changed. Xbox, okay. Device model 1, okay, good. As I'm saying, like I didn't check unvisible, visible. You see, global inventory visible, and I don't. Let's do add item. Item added. You see, so even it's working. I thought it's not working, to be true. So I was wrong. So he's done even more work. So that's a good thing. Now the next thing, what we will do, instead of this global inventory, we will do like these new bookings. We will do the table. So if you prefer to look through the items rather than through the pictures, you will be able to do this way. Yes. So that's the way, like a data table, like here. Yes. And that's no images, that will be just text, because your products, you don't need to see all the products and so on. Yes, only in the case of the shop products you will be able to see them, and that matters for you. Yes, so you will be able to go through the list view, list inventory, or main inventory. Yes, we can change the namings later. That's not a problem, but that's what is done. Now I just downloaded, to be true, before this video. I've downloaded this code because he said to check what's coded. So that's what it is. You see, so the chat communication was added. Booking is completed on the repair site. Now the inventory start to be accessible as well. And now we will add this list as a global inventory, so that will be the list. And then we will move on to the rest. Yes, shop will go out from here because that's not necessary. What's the point would be to have a shop here on this side? I've realized it when it was too late, but it's just an item, so it's okay. Deleting is not a problem. Let's log in. Let's log in as a cast client. Yes, so that will be a bit change as well, because book new repair will be done I'll show you how it will be done. Next, when it's booked in, it's during the repair, yes, and then completed or rejected. FAQ and the shop as well here will be, yes, your shop will be here available. So FAQ is about the application. Will I click or not click? Let's go to the manager again, repair manager, and I'll show you the new bookings. So that will be like that. Yes, that will be looking like that. So depend what you will choose, what you want to repair. That will be as a list. Yes, drop down menu that you will add it in your control panel. Then Xbox, yes, Series X for instance, yes, and then serial number. And I don't know if you require to be here asterisk, so a customer will have to put serial number. I don't know, yes. And then again, client has an account, yes, here, so account email, if has an account. So then, this booking is only for you, yes, so as a repair center. So here you can book in the customer. Customer repairs when they came from the door, yes, and so you can use this form to do it, but we will use exactly the same form for the client side, yes. So the client, when have account with you, will see exactly the same. There will be additional form when there are new people from the street and they will go to your website and they will request booking, yes. When they will request booking, then automatically what's happening is that they will have a form, like a fill in what they need to be repaired, and then if it will be, let's say, if it will be the finish of the process, then they will be asked to go to their email and confirm that that process, yes. So then when they will go, then all the details will be sent to login for them, yes. So in that case they will be able to receive updates and so on. As well, I'm thinking that in the external form we should mark that customer number is a WhatsApp or not, so that you will know that if you can't catch them via the application, you can catch always them via the phone number, yes, or their email or something. So all the communication should be as smooth as possible, but always on writing, so that you will have always proof that something was told, not was only talked, because that's safer for you, yes. So that's why we've got a chat, and that's why we look for those methods where you can type. Okay, so now the last part which I would like to show you from here is my company is not set up the URL yet, so we will put this company, okay, Jones, let's call it Jones, yes, Jones repairs, yes, and let's save changes. And now when you will go to the website, of course I'm logged in, so of course that won't be the proper way, but you see that the page is for Jones, yes. So that's wrong redirect for now. We will be doing the proper redirect where will be the booking planned, but that it is, and that's working, yes. And keep in mind that I'm logged in, yes. And so that's the URL. I don't know if after if after adding, I think we need to delete the edit button. I don't know if because you know, once you will have your URL and you will have it on your website, and I don't think you want to change it, because if you will change it, yes, excuse me, then you need to change all the URLs on all your website where you promote it, or on the Facebook, or wherever you're promoting those repairs. Yes, so that might be, you know, a problem. So I think that should be one time off, unique, and then this edit button would go off. But that's my opinion. Yes. And you see as well, you see here that's green Nietzsche, or whatever this random generated name was. When you will go to chat communication, yes, you still see the same person. And you can change your profile from public to private if you don't want to share with anybody those details, yes? So that's what it is. When you turn on the enable one signal web notification, yes, you need an API, and I will explain how to do it. It's just that, you know, you can enable it and save it. Then what's happening when somebody is coming and chatting with you, then you will see the notifications here, yes? Even though you might be on a different bookmark, on a different tab or whatever, you will still see the notification thanks to that. So that's what it is. It's already working, we already tested, so it's everything fine. And now the thing is, well, okay, and now the thing is that we're creating Inte.Team as well, yes? And I'll explain why in the next episode. I will explain why Inte.Team is important. So this booking software is just in a case that all the repair shops would be afraid that if they would join Inte.Team, they will be in the global pool of all the companies, yes, and some customer came from their URL, but they've got opportunity to see other companies, whereas here in this software they will see only your company, no other company will be seen, yes. So I will explain why Inte.Team matters, and hope you like what we've coded for now, yes. And please, if you've got any questions, contact me either through the Facebook, yes, or either on 07454919021, or on a WhatsApp there, because we've got a WhatsApp as well, or yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, no point, I think, to give you more contact. If you've got any questions or you would like to have features added to this, then please contact me. We will for sure consider adding them. It's not a problem for us to add them as long as somebody will be using them. that's the problem. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this video showed you how we've done and how much is done already. To be true, I am wishing, hoping, and it's quite reasonable that within 1 week time we will have it installed on the server, yes, so you will be able to log in and to see what's going on in this application on your own. Thank you guys, bye bye.